Concentrating on infrastructure effectiveness, the software opens a window showing several key performance indicators: project in progress, quay occupancy, quay rotation, effective max capacity, and flows per square meters. Let's focus on project in progress due to time constraints. This is a key performance indicator that summarizes the progress of work on a specific infrastructural project. In this case, the renovation of the dry dock and the upgrading of the pumping plant. The software shows some descriptive information on the left side, such as the area of international, which is the Port of Naples, the elapsed time in percentage, which is 6-7 percent point, and the delay, but we have no delay as for this project we are in time. The software shows on the right side on top the amount of infrastructural operation and safety charges. And at the bottom, we can focus our attention on two traffic lights, which indicate the level of criticality of the project. More in detail, the receipt of the work progress documentation is in line with the work schedule. Therefore, to date, we have received all work progress documents as planned in progress schedule, and therefore the first traffic light overall criticality is green. In addition, the cost structure is coherent with the budget, including the extras, and with the percentage of elapsed time. The time spent and the cost incurred are about 67 percent point on average of what was planned. So the traffic light SAL consistency is green. Overall, as we can see, this project does not show any critical to remark.